Hello friends. This baby sweater is knitted completely seamless, which makes it perfect even for a newborn. As you can see, I turn it inside out, and it can be worn on either side. Many of you have asked how to knit this sweater. I've prepared a step-by-step video tutorials for you. Please, check the playlist with several parts. The links to tutorial 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in the video description. Happy knitting, and may your little one feel comfortable and cozy.